Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Suku and Jiku. In this episode, we are going to see a very short and neat trick that will help us to understand how we can square numbers between 50 and 59. We have seen quite a number of methods of squaring numbers before. This is a totally different way of doing the squaring, and it is only for this specific number range. In a later episode, we will see how can we extend this method to numbers other than 50 and 59. So Jiku is going to explain this technique to us today. There are simple steps that you need to follow to get the outcome. So the first step, like our previous episodes, is a preparation step. All we do here is we write the numbers from 50 to 59 and we keep the numbers ready so we can populate the square of these numbers. It's a very simple one, so that completes this step. Can now proceed to the next step, which is step 2. So here we will try to find the first part of the answer. The second part of the answer will be obtained in the next step. If you can recollect from episode 1, the square of 50 is 2500. So we ignore the last two digits and start with 25. The 10th digit is 5. Put a square of 5 and we start with 25. Now when it comes to 51, 52, 53, all you have to do is you keep incrementing that number 25 by 1. So starting with 25, for 51 it will be 26. 52 will be 27, 53 will be 28, 54, 29, 55, 30, 56, 31, 57, 32, 58, 33, and 59, 34. So if you look from top to bottom, all you have done is you have started with the number 25 and you have incremented that by 1 all the way until 34. So that's the end of the first step. There is no multiplication or anything that is involved. Keep writing the numbers from 25 to 34 and you are done. We now proceed to the last step, where we will write the second part of the answer against these numbers and finish the squares. So to begin with, in case of 50, take the 0 in the unit digit, square it. So 0 squared is 0 and write it as 0 and 0 because the last two digits will need to contain the square of the unit digit number. So for 50, it is 2500. For 51, it is 01. So 1 square is 1. So write it as 01. In case of 52, it will be 04 because 2 square is 4. For 53, it will be 09. 3 square is 9. So you write it as 09. For 54, it will be 16. 4 square is 16. So you don't need to put another leading 0 there. Just write 16. 5 square is 25. For 55 square, if you can recollect from episode 1, there is another neat trick to find the square of numbers ending in 5. For example, here the 10th digit is 5, you add 1 to it, which gives you 6. 6 times 5 is 30, and you put a 25 to the end, so giving 3025. You can do that way if that is easier for you, or you can follow this method, whichever works simpler for you. For 56, 31, 36. 57 will be 3249. 58 is 3364. And finally for 59, 3481. If you know the squares of numbers from 0 to 9, writing the squares from 50 to 59 is going to be a piece of cake for you. So that completes the third step and the whole episode on how we can write the squares of these numbers. As I said earlier on, there are two other approaches of doing squares as well. So this is not the only way to do it, but this is a very simple approach. When your number falls between 50 and 59, you can write it very quickly. Now, if you want to understand what are the other approaches that are available to do squaring, I would suggest you to look at our episodes 13 and 12, where we cover times table of any 2-digit number, which is an extension to this approach. And you can also look into our episode 12, where we have covered how to square any number below 100. Before you go, Suku is trying to catch up with Jiku on this technique. So will you be able to help him? He is trying to write the squares of 56, 52, 58 and 54. Just based on what we covered so far. If you can help him, post your answers in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to see how we can expand on this technique to cover squaring of any number which has got the 10th digit as 5. Stay connected to our channel and we will see you soon. Thank you.